So tell us about this vehicle right here.
Sadly, I'm not the owner of the 8.6. Let's do my Civic.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do my Civic.
Let's do the car that you actually own,
sure.
if any.
This is my 1987 Honda Civic Si. It's the first generation, mild TOUGE setup. Has a turbo, Garrett turbo, fuel system injected, 1600 cc's, fuel upgraded, Bosch AFR gauge, boost gauge. Just on some Toyo proxy tires. It's full brake swap on the back, just missing the e-brake in the middle. If you want to get that, you know, nothing too crazy upgraded here. It's on blown shocks too. There's actually no oil cooler or intercooler on this. This is completely ghetto setup, but you know, budget build here on the TOUGE, so it is what it is, and we race with what we got.
So how many battles has it won?
Not too many. I've only owned it for a little bit. There has been a silver NB that definitely got what was coming to it. Yeah, you're gonna have to like lift the seat up.
Oh, it's stuck.
Yeah, so yeah, just stay there for a second. This is good. Power steering, actually, this model. Running, like I said, about 5 psi boost right now. Maybe a little less. Trying to tune with the fuel air ratio. Trying to make it somewhat reliable as I can.
We can do like, you know, the fast segment.
Yeah, we'll try to do a little bit of fast
the
segment
audience doesn't want to see some bitch shit.
Yeah, no bitch shit here.
Hell no,
we
dude.
drive our cars.
Yeah.
We drive our cars.
Yeah, show them what you got.
Yeah, we'll start getting into it here a little bit. You can see the blown suspension is a little bit of a problem.
Yeah, it bottoms out quite a bit.
Yeah.
Full use of the Toyo, actually whatever tires it is, but 200 tread wear.
Yeah, the proxies, you know, are, they're okay. I've had better, but you know, when it comes to competing, definitely a lot of 200 tread wear users lately, so gotta deal with that, compete with what you can.
Yeah.
Especially on budget here.
Good, consistent utilization of 200 tread wear, it's really something that's rare nowadays.
Yeah, exactly. We have people, I mean, you can see a lot of bumps here. This is really what makes TOUGE drivers versus track drivers. Wow, it's really hard. I've never talked to TOUGE.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah, well, you know, you don't want to take the tires. On track, you have to really, you can drive 100%, but on TOUGE, you really have to leave room for air. And especially at daytime, we're looking for bikers and also cars.
Yeah, bikers and cars ahead. There's, you know, you always want to put paramount the safety of the public when you're doing this type of stuff.
Exactly, you know, just stay in the lane.
And, you know, some people might watch the video and be like, hey, that's a pace too far.
Yeah.
But, you know, if you have the consistency level, the chances are, like, the risks are pretty reduced.
They really are. Especially a lot of motorcycles, too. They fly faster than most cars during the day, to be honest.
Oh, yeah.
You know, unless you have cars. Just like prime example on that right side, random tree branches. You know, you really have to be 100% focused on what you're doing. You know, unlike some of the tracks, you know, you're doing it, it's basically repeating the cycle and pushing the limit of grip 100%. This is more of a challenging aspect with, hey, can I, you know, how fast can I approach this turn? Each turn is a lot different. There's multiple turns within the course compared to track. I'm looking for road hazards, any type of hazards. Also having to maintain grip level, stay in lane, can't utilize, you know, everything. So definitely going at it. Yeah, as we can here. And it's really, as you can see, how hard I'm actually pushing the car here for what it can do. As long as you understand, you know, driving theory, which is something very big that a lot of people have, I guess, when coming new to, you know, the canyon scene, don't understand what driving technique is. It gets dangerous. You really need to do your homework with understanding what the car can do, what drive training you're at, compared to front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive. Important to, you know, maintain the weight transfer as well, as best as you can.
I gotta say, this is real impressive. The fact that you're keeping this type of pace and accomplishing is like, you know, it's not scripted or anything.
Yeah.
This is real shit, and he's really doing this on the first try.
Usually, like I said, I'm a pretty big, you know, double-end guy. When it comes to nighttime, you can push a lot harder. So just trying to conserve myself as much as I can. Be, I guess, responsible. That's what I'm gonna say, but up ahead, there's people again, like walking on the road. Just, you know, random things here like that. You have to have really, you know, good depth perception to make sure your braking zones are safe too. There's just so many variables compared to track, in my opinion. I know I'll get a lot of flack for that, but it is what it is. You know, I might not be going at 100% here, but if you do go at 100%, you risk so much, I'd say.
Yeah, it takes a lot of dedication in both motorsport subsets, for sure.
Exactly.
I see what you said about the suspension.
Exactly, yeah, you can see, you know, a lot of miscellaneous things when it comes to shit boxes, so probably let the car cool down for a bit.
Okay, yeah, so
yeah.
How did that run feel then?
Run felt pretty good. Daytime obviously helps with tire temperature, especially with 200 tread wear tires. The biggest aspect and drawback of this car, I would say, is shocks, suspension is really what's taken back. The power is quite enough if you can utilize it. You know, the chassis itself would have to be upgraded, basically. Like I said, with suspension, maybe stiffer sway bars, stiffer, you know, springs, better struts, etc. But that is what it is with building cars and whatnot. Push what you can, you know, just at a safe, moderate pace. It's all about learning. It's all about learning what you did wrong, basically, and how you can take that turn faster and faster. That's what it really comes down to with each time, you know, someone goes out and does some spirit driving.
For sure, and like, this is like, it's not necessarily like what you could say a really fast car. And when I say really fast, you know, we're talking about like FRS.
Yeah, we'll hop in. We'll do some more cars down the line, especially with maybe a better setup, suspension-wise, tires-wise, everything. But I would say this is a really good platform for being able to go out, you know, practice front-wheel drive, you know, get a really slow car, throw some tires on it, throw some shocks on it, and learn what, you know, learn how to drive front-wheel drive. I'd say.
Learn front-wheel drive,
That
guys.
is Lexus. Nice weight transfer with the turns here. Very impressive. You're really utilizing the camber here to help maintain the grip too. And more random people just walking